What's going on, guys? As we approach the holidays, we're going to do a little countdown to Christmas. So, day number 1, which is today. So as long as you get your deposits in today, call today, you can redeem 20% off all window tint. Now this deal does apply to both of the window tint offerings that we do have. So we have the KAVACA Color Stable, which is a nano carbon film, as well as KAVACA Ceramic Infrared, which blocks an insane amount of infrared heat entering the cabin of your vehicle. I'd really like to invite you guys in and come see this display personally. This is a very good representation of the heat that you feel within the cabin of your vehicle. So we have areas that aren't tinted, we have areas that are tinted with our CS film, and we also have areas that are tinted with our infrared film. Now I'm going to turn it on. Here, there's no tint, so my hand is actually very warm. Go to the next one, we've got our carbon ceramic film where you can still feel a little bit of heat. And then you go to our infrared, you feel absolutely no heat. Now this is something that you really need to see in person. The reason why I want you guys to come in and check this out is because feeling it is really the only way to describe the benefits that we have to offer you. There are many reasons why one would want to tint their vehicle. Now, one would be for UV protection. Now, a lot of people don't know this, but UVA and UVB rays actually have cancer-causing agents, and obviously you want to protect yourself, right? So not only that, but with the UV rays not being able to go through your glass, your interior, so your leather, your suede, anything that you have in your interior, it's not going to wear over time. The second reason one may want to tint their windows is for the heat that enters the cabin on a very hot day. Now, both of our films do have IR rejecting properties, so our carbon film blocks up to 70% of infrared heat, whereas our IR film actually blocks up to 96%. Now, the difference can vary slightly depending on the shade or the VLT that you decide to go with. So for example, if you do a 5%, it's much darker, it's going to block more IR heat naturally because of the darkness. Now, same thing goes the other way. If you were to get a 70% or a 35%, it won't block quite as much heat, but it's still going to do a tremendous job keeping you comfortable day to day inside your vehicle. Last but not least is after every install, you do get a Ceramic Pro certified factory warranty. This warranty is lifetime for all shades of film, both types of film. Also, we are registered with Carfax, so every vehicle that you bring in here, the services that we provide, including window tint, goes on your vehicle's Carfax report for when you want to sell it at a future time. All right, guys, so again, today, it's Tuesday, December 20th. Come in today, message us, call us, what have you, somehow inquire with us, because today and today only, if you leave your deposit, you can receive 20% off both of our films, our carbon ceramic as well as our IR ceramic. So stay tuned, there's more deals coming, but if you want window tint, today's the day.